What up, Smart Rapper Gang? In this video I'm going to show you how to gain more fans to your music by actually working more efficiently with anybody that you collaborate with or anybody that you do a song with. A lot of times artists will collaborate on a song and they'll plan on doing just a little bit of promo. But why not maximize the amount of growth that you're going to have by doing all the things I'm going to tell you in this video? Because a little bit of promo is not enough. You need a lot of promo. And if there's two people doing it, you could grow twice as fast. I'll show you how. Any song you ever release should be treated as a single. And not all songs are incredible like they're singles, I know that. But if you're even gonna release it into the world, you should at least treat it like it's a single and get its initial push and its boost of momentum in that first 2 weeks of having the song out. It deserves it. Now if it's really a single, you're gonna wanna push it for at least 2 months. Every song needs to get its momentum and get itself off the ground. It's just how it is. It's how it's always been. It's how it's always going to be. When you work as a team, the song will grow faster. So you and the other person you collaborated with need to make a marketing plan so you both know exactly what you need to be doing. And I'm talking about like a daily list, like every day we do this, this, and this helps push the song forward. It's not hard. Even if it's just 15 minutes of you guys marketing the song every day because you have these little small tasks, that is more fans you're gaining every day that you would not have had before, and they all add up. Even if you gain 5 fans a day, well, in 30 days now you have another 150 fans that you did not have before. I'm about to show you the type of marketing materials that you need to make along with another artist that you collaborated with that you should have ready when you're ready to start marketing the song. And you both need to be ready to market it like crazy. Really, if you want to help each other, you should both put together a list of your credentials and your accomplishments for each other. Why? Well, your fans know your accomplishments, they're your fans. But do they know the person you collaborated with? Do they know about that person? Does it make you look cooler? See, the thing, you show them what the other person has accomplished, and you look cooler for collaborating with them. If not, it just looks like another name on a song. Then, when they see the other person's credibility, your song becomes more valuable in the eyes of the listener. Well, the ears of the listener. They see the reason you decided to work with that person. For that, it's just another rapper's name that they don't know yet. Right? Now, you should both be marketing the same materials that I always talk about you guys using to market. And that is at least one piece of content for each social media network. If you both post every 2 to 3 days a piece of that content, new pieces of your current audience across your social media platforms will see you inside the algorithm, right? Because not everybody sees every post that you post. Because people get on at different times on social media, so sometimes you don't get seen, right? So you want to be posting on a regular basis. You can't post one time and think that everybody saw it. Some people only get on their accounts every couple days. And that's why you can't post something one time and expect everyone to see it. But oftentimes we see somebody only post it once or twice. And then if nobody watches it, they kind of give up on it. And that's the problem. If you're both pushing it for even just 2 weeks, you'll see a lot of progress on the song. Because every single view adds up. It's really that simple. Work as a team. I made this video because oftentimes I see artists collab, but that's really it. They just collab and then release a song like nobody even cares. Really, and as you should know by now, you have to promote it in order for it to get heard. You need to work together to get those views up and up and up and up. It's helping you both. Get those streams, get people listening. This only happens through consistent and persistent marketing. I'm telling you, at least market every song you ever release for at least 2 weeks, like hardcore every day. So, put those marketing materials together, okay? Make one for every social media network. It's super easy. Make one for everything that you use. You make one for Snapchat, make one for Instagram, make one for Facebook, make one for everything, okay? Make one for Twitter. And then you both use those marketing materials to promote the songs, okay? And consistently promote them. Work as a team. Don't just make a song and then release it, because so many people do that, all right? So this video is to tell you, make a plan. Even if it's just something you guys both do for 15 minutes a day. Say for 15 minutes, we do this, and this every day. We post it on Facebook, we post it on our Instagram, we post it on our Snapchat, we post it here. We send it to 20 people here, we send it to 20 new people here. We both post it on Reddit. Like these little things that gain you 5, 10 viewers, they add up. So do them, all right? You just became a smarter rapper. Go put in some work. Go get some marketing done. See you guys at the top. Keep hustling, gang. Go make those marketing materials, all right? I got your back.